Welcome children. Take out your real English book, part 7, chapter 13, Two Deer. Before explaining this chapter, let me tell you that in my previous video, that is in part 1, I have already explained how the king had to face the problem while punishing the criminal. Now, let's begin the story. What was to be done? Again, the minister considered and reconsidered. Now, again the minister considered and reconsidered that what has to be done with the criminal. They assembled the commission and a committee and a subcommittee, and at last they decided that the best thing would be to alter the death sentence to one of the imprisonment for life. Now, at last what happened? They assembled, that means they gathered a commission, a committee and a subcommittee. At the subcommittee, and at last it was decided that the best thing what would be, it is to alter means that to change the death sentence to one of the imprisonment for life. This would enable the king to show his mercy, and it would be some cheaper. Now what would happen if the king does this? What will happen? That king would show his the king could also show his mercy, and it would also become too cheaper. The king agreed to this, and so the matter was arranged. Now king got ready in this, and then now the matter was arranged. The only hitch now was that there was no suitable prison for a man sentenced for life. Now only problem was that during that time they did not have any suitable prisoner that a man could be kept who is sentenced for life imprisonment. There was a small lockup where people were sometimes kept temporarily, but there was no strong prison fit for permanent use. Now, what happened in the kingdom? There was only very small lockup was there, where people were sometimes kept for some days, that is for temporary days they are kept, but after there was no strong prison which was fit for permanent use. However, they managed to find a place that would do, and they put the young fellow there. Now, but still they managed and found out a place that would do, and they put the young fellow there and placed a guard over it. And what happened? They placed a guard over it. The guard had to watch the criminal and had also to fetch his food from the palace king. Now, what the guard's duty was to watch the criminal and even to bring fetch his food from the palace kitchen. The prisoner remained there month after month till a year had passed. Now the prisoner, he was there still month after month, and then what happened? One day a year also passed away. But when a year was passed, the kinglet, looking over the account of his income and expenditure, one day noticed a new item of expenditure. But what happened when after 1 year, the king started looking upon the account of his income and expenditure. What he noticed? That a new item of expenditure was included. This was for to keep up the criminals, not it was a small item either. Now why this? What was this new expenditure? It was that for keeping the criminal, nor it was a small item there. There was a special guard, and there was also the man's food. Now what expenses were there? Means one special guard was there. Even the expenses of the criminal's food. It came to more than 600 francs a year. Now what was the expenditure? That more than 600 francs a year. And the worst of it was that the fellow was still young and healthy. And the worst condition was that the man, means the criminal, he was still young and healthy, and might live for 50 years. And his condition was that he might live for 50 years. When one came to reckon it up, the matter was serious. Now when one came to see it up, what happened? The matter was reckon it up. Then the matter calculate the account. When one came to calculate the account, what happened? The matter became very serious. It would never do. Now it would also never do. So the king summoned his minister and said to them. So what happened? The king called his minister and said to them, "You must find some cheaper way of dealing with this rascal." What he said? He thought that he must find some cheaper way to dealing with this rascal. The present plan was too expensive. Now what happened? Now the present plan what was? Because the king called his minister and said that he must find out one cheaper way for dealing with the rascal, because the present plan was very expensive. And the minister met and considered and reconsidered till one of them said, "Gentlemen, in my opinion, we must dismiss the guard." Now what happened when the minister met again? When the ministers met again, then considered and reconsidered. Then what happened? One of the ministers suggested that this gentleman, in my opinion, this guard must be dismissed. But then rejoined another account. Now what happened? Another account was rejoined. The fellow will run away. What will happen? The fellow, that means the criminal, will run away. "Well," said the first speaker, "let him run away." So they reported the result of their deliberation to the king. Now what happened? And the speaker said that let him run away. And so this report was the result of the deliberation for the king. And he agreed with it. Now what happened? He agreed with it. The guard was dismissed and they waited to see what would happen. Now what happened? They dismissed the guard and the others, they waited to see what would happen. All that happened was that at the dinner time, the criminal came out and not finding his guard, he went to the king's kitchen to fetch his own dinner. Now what happened? And at dinner time, the criminal is to come out of the jail and not finding his guard. What happened? He himself used to go to the king's kitchen to fetch his own food. He took what was given to him, returned to the prison, shut the door on himself and stayed in there. Now again, after eating his food, what he used to do? After eating his food, he used to return back to the prison, shut the door on himself and stayed in there. Next day, the same thing occurred. Next day also same thing happened. He went for his food at the proper time, but as for running away, he did not show the least sign of it. Now, what happened? He went again for his food at the proper time, but that he was running away, he did not show at least any sign of it. That he will run away from the prison, he didn't show that. What was to be done? Now what was it? They considered the matter. Again the matter was considered. "We shall have to tell him straight out," said that we do not want to keep him. Now it was decided that they would say the prisoner that they do not want to keep him. So the ministers of justice had been brought before him. And so what happened? The ministers of justice had been brought before him. "Why do you not run away?" said the minister. Now the minister called that minister of justice asked the criminal that, "Why don't you run away? There is no guard to keep you," saying that no guard is there to keep you. "You can go where you like and the king will not mind," saying that. Now the minister said that you are free to go anywhere where you like because the king will not mind. "I dare say the king would not mind," replied the man, "but I have nowhere to go." Now that man said that, "I dare say that I know that the king would not mind," the criminal said, "but I don't have any place that where I will go. What can I do?" Now he said that what could he do? "You have ruined my character by your sentence and the people will turn their backs on me," saying that you have spoiled my character by your sentence and people, what will happen? They will show their backs and go away. Besides, I have got out of the way of working. Besides, I have no work job. You have treated me badly, saying that you have treated me very badly. It's not fair. In the first place, when once you sentenced me to death, you ought to have executed me, but you did not do it. Now the criminal said, in the first place, when you have sentenced me, means when you have given me the death sentence, what happened? You could have executed me, but still you didn't do that. That is one thing I did not complain about it. That is one thing that the criminal had not complained. Then you sentenced me to imprisonment for life and put a guard to bring me my food. Then after that, what happened? The criminal said that they have imprisoned him for life imprisonment and put a guard to bring his food. But after a time, took him away again and I had to fetch my own food. But after a time, what the ministers have done? They have took away the guard and the criminal had to fetch his own food. Again I did not complain, but now you actually want me to go away. Now still I didn't complain, but now what you want? That I will go away. I can't agree to that. Now the criminal is saying that he can't agree to that. He wants to remain in the jail. You do as you like, but I won't go away. Now the criminal said that whatever you can tell the criminal told the minister that whatever you want to do, you do, but you will not go away. What was to be done? Once more council was summoned. Now what happened? Again the council was called and it was decided what was to be done. What, of course, they adopt, the man would not go. Oh, and now they were discussing that what could be done because the man would not go. Finally, they decided to offer him a pension, the sum of rupees 600 francs, and this was announced to the prisoner. Finally, what happened? It was decided that they would offer him a pension, that was the amount would be 600 francs, and it was announced to the prisoner. Well, said he, I don't mind so long as you undertake the pay it regularly. On that condition, I am willing to go. Now what happened? Prisoner got ready. He said that he doesn't mind it. He doesn't mind it on the condition, in this condition, and he was willing to go. So the matter was settled. He received 1/3 of his annuity in advance and left the king's dominion. Now what happened? The matter was settled, and what happened? He got 1/3 of his annuity in advance, and then he left his left the king's dominion. It was only a quarter of an hour by rail, and he immigrated and settled just across the frontier, where he was brought a bit of land, started market gardening, and now lives comfortably. Then what happened? It was only 1/4 of an hour, that was by rail he went. There he immigrated and then settled there across the frontier. Where what he did? He purchased a bit of land, small bit of land, started market gardening, and started living there comfortably. He always goes at the proper time to draw his pension. Now, at the proper time, what he used to do? He used to go to draw his pension. It is a good thing that he did not commit his crime in a country where they did not grudge expense to cut off a man's head off, or to keeping him in prison for life. Now, he thought that it was a very good thing. A good thing that he did not commit his crime, that he did not have to commit his crime in such a country where the king cannot bear his expenses, or to cut for cutting a man's head, or to keep a prisoner for life. Now take out your diary, write chapter 32 dear, explanation completed, and with this I am ending my today's class. Goodbye.